Here we go. Yeah, I just want to show you guys a little tip that I've just been practicing on today. So you see here, straps, Nike straps here. So these are the standard AliExpress straps installed with the EL Wirecraft panels. So when you install the panel here, you can see that it's extremely flat because the panels here are very, very rigid. That's how they look. With this technique, hot air gun, boom, you make it curved like that, which looks so much better. I mean, look at that there, so much better versus a flat one. Okay, and I found this out, see, I thought, you know what I'll do is I'll delaminate this red one just to see how the panel is underneath there, and look about getting some of these done in a more flexible material. But you can see by applying the heat, I was instantly able to sort of curve it. So I just curved it around my glass jar. So let me show you what we do to do this one here. Right then, so what you do, move that there, get the hot air gun, have it on, say, this sort of setting here, 1/3. Heat the panel up. And then just curve the panel around whatever you want to curve it around. Something like that. So that's already given it a much better curve, and obviously you can go more if you want to. So obviously you don't want to cook it, okay, you don't want to cook it, because remember as well, you've also got that glued together as well, and of course you don't want to damage the panel, you know. Job done. That's it. Way better going from flat to slightly curved. Obviously you can do as much as you want, but that's all you need, just a bit of a curve like that. Done. Excellent. There you go. Cheers. Super easy. Nice one. Cheers. Beautiful. Much better. Super easy. About 1 minute job each side. Nice one. Perfect. So the next tip is these. So obviously you can just use these on the shoe if you want to, happy days. But if you want them to fit nicer on the back of the shoe, then you need to give them some heat. Little technique I developed. So you put it on like that. That's, you know, I mean, that's okay. But obviously, ideally, you want it like that, so it fits nicer. That way, when you're installing the Air Mag King straps, such as these ones here, which are shorter than the normal straps, then obviously having the extra bit of curve like that really does help make them fit easier with less modifications, basically. So technique, hot air gun as usual. Something like these, glass for example. Okay, this is what I'm working on. I'll just sort of show you how it looks at the moment. See, you can see it's much tighter on the curve, see? Like that, see, that's how it looks. So all you do, put it into a pot. These are just a really common sort of pudding pot, you know, you get in the UK. Hot air gun, 1/3 setting I use, and just basically just blast it like this, you know, just for about a minute. So I'm going to pause it in a second, blast it up to make sure it's flexible, then it will basically form that new shape. But let me pause it now. Right then, yeah, that's it. So I've just blasted those just for about sort of 90 seconds roughly each, not long. Just you need to get it obviously reasonably hot, and then you'll just feel it. It'll just feel more squishy, that's all. And then, yep, in the jar, and leave it in the jar. Yeah, that jar is nice and warm. That will obviously form to that shape. And then, of course, if it's too tight a curve, then obviously you can heat it again and bend it open a bit more, for example. So it's no drama. Right, that's it. Extra tip for you guys there.